cookie. So first we're gonna put it in the oven.
And first we about to eat it.
So yeah, let's get started. So this what I will be using.
And this what I'll be using.
And then we're gonna place them on the pan. And we already have the oven preheated, but first we need an adult for that.
I want these cookies. I want these cookies.
So we both have these. First thing first, we're going to wash our hands so we can get rid of our germs. So let's get started
To bake our cookies.
How many you put? So we're going to take our cookie and put it on the pan.
And we go to bake it in the oven. Now let's get started.
You see what camera?
Next, we're going to put it in the oven.
And my mom's going to put it in the oven and bake it.
So let's get started.
Get my thing. Okay, put it in the oven. Okay.
Back up.
This could be good.
So it's going to take about 15 minutes, so we're going to be right back. Cookies are done, and Mommy's going to take the cookies out. So
Once they cool down,
once they cool down,
Kammeryn,
so the cookies are done, and we're gonna let them cool down. And after they cool down, we will be able to eat it.
Like that.
So this is how the cookies turned out.
And it's gonna cool down, and we'll eat it, and we'll decorate it. Now let's get started.
Say the best part for last. Now it's time to enjoy.
Bye guys. See you later. Thank you for watching my videos. Now bye.
Mm. Bye.